السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كلاتي وعن أولاكسن دقيستياشي دان آدكو تعلقوا ميل كستو الدولة الدافئة إذا كتبتان وحانا دقل حدي تابرتان يوتيوب كله ندعو عالم ميديا.
maanta waxaa booqasho noogu yimid oo aan soo dhaweynay wasiirka Arimaha Dibedda ahna wasiirka gaashaandhigga dalka Ireland oo noogula joogi doona maanta booqasho shaqo arki doonana madax kala duwan maadaama uu yahay wasiirka Arimaha Dibedda isla markaasna yahay wasiirka gaashaandhigga waxaa soo dhaweynay aniga oo ah wasiirka Arimaha Dibedda iyo wasiirkeena gaashaandhigga oo si wada jira u soo dhaweynay waxaan la yeelanay wada hadal gooni ah oo aan kala hadlayno arrimaha iyo xiriirka iyo iskaashiga ka dhaxeeya labada wasaaradood.
I say first of all that I'm very pleased to be here with my colleagues, the Minister for Foreign Affairs and the Minister for Defence of Somalia, and I look forward to the privilege of meeting your Prime Minister also today, as well as a whole series of civil society groups here in Somalia, and of course some of the EU and UN representatives as well. And we have a number of clear messages. First of all, that Ireland is a friend of Somalia, has been for many years, is interested in really understanding the detail of the challenges that you face as a government, but as a society as a whole. This is a very, very important country to the region, that is the Horn of Africa, but also it's a country with a complex and tragic history. And we want to be a partner and a friend that can help the people of Somalia look to the future with more optimism. That's why we want to be supportive of the election process that is about to begin. We want to be supportive of the challenges in the context of security that the Minister for Defence and his team face through the UN and the work that we can do with you and for you there, but also within the European Union, which of course is a big partner and a big donor for many of the security challenges here in Somalia.